Hi friends, Naji here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So Google has released its latest version, that is Gemini 2.5, and in this video we will be discussing on Gemini 2.5. So they are saying that Gemini 2.5 is a thinking model. Personally, I'm not a big fan of Gemini, but this model seems to be good. So if you look on the statistics, we can see that it has a comparison sheet with other competitors, and it seems to be like most of the scenarios, it seems to be better performing than others. So we can see that it has a good reasoning skills, and its science skill is also good, and it has a mathematics and mathematical reasoning also good, but definitely the grok has got some higher numbers, but they are very close, right? And we can see that other scenarios also, but this seems to be like better than others in most of the scenarios. Okay, so when we come to here, we can see that they have provided a sample code or sample scenario, like how to create. So let me play it. So how to create a dinosaur demo game. So we'll see how can we do the same. For that, let me go to the Google AI Studio. You guys can also create an account in Google AI Studio, like, which is free actually. So here let me select the experimental, like they are calling it as experimental model. So I am going to select Gemini 2.5 Pro experimental model. Let me select this. Okay, now I have the prompt. Let me copy and paste the prompt here. Okay, now let me edit it little bit. So instead of it's saying that make a captivating endless runner game and key instructions on the screen and p5.js, no html. I like the pixelized dinosaur and New York background. I'm saying that I need the New York background. Let's see how this works. Okay, now let me click here. So this is actually thinking. Okay, it is trying to understand the instructions. We'll see. And looking to the right side, we can see that we have an option to select the different models and the token count. We can adjust the temperature, and we can see like a lot of other function calling also. Those things we will able to adjust it, but for this video we will stick on this game only. Okay, so we'll see how much time it will take. When I tried it personally, it was giving me answers in a much better time, but yeah, we'll see how this works. It seems to be creating something. Okay, let it complete. Okay, it's still in progress. Okay, again it's continuing. Let's see. Still in progress. Okay, seems to be completed. Now let me copy the code. So this is the code. So let me copy this. Okay, here we can see the token count also. So let me go to the p5.js editor and let me paste it here. Okay, so run it. Okay, see how this works. It seems to be in the New York background. Okay, okay, now let me try this. I don't know how to jump. Okay, so by clicking on here it is jumping fine. Okay, so this seems to be really cool. Now we can see one more example. Let me try to upload one of my document, and we'll see how can we analyze it. So I'm going to this is some PDF. I have just created only the part of the PDF. Okay, so we'll see how the summary of it. Okay, so I can type it here. Give me summary of the PDF. We'll see. Let me run this one. Again, start thinking, because it is a thinking model, right? So it's in progress. Okay, so this is completed. Actually, this is here the summary. So we are getting like major points, and it's a current market share. All those things is able to understand this properly. So this seems to be really good, and you guys can also try it out. And yeah, let me know your comments on this particular model. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.